Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the NooB Trading Group. I'm NooB Trader. Today's date is August 17th, 2017. So to go over today's trade with you guys, if you take a look here, here's the open of the Thursday in the European session open. Initially, in the first hour after opening at 12, it created this doji bar, wanted to rally, lost a lot of steam when it got closer to the 46 handle, could even reach up there, created another doji to come back towards the downside. And then at about 1 o'clock, there was a trade to get in here at 46.80. Target was going to be down. The stop would have been up here at the 46.93, and target was in the 46.57. That would have been the trade for European session. And then it just kind of isolated channel, did create new lows, and created this low down here at 46.46. Found enough support right here in the electronic pit session open at 6 a.m. to push the market back up. And we look for trades after 6 a.m. Usually 5 minutes after the open of the electronic pit session open, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Would have gotten this trade right here at 46.73. Our stop was 46.49 and our target was 47.06. Looking at that, you're risking $240 to make $330. If you're trading two contracts, which I'm doing right now, you're risking $480 to make $660. That would have been the trade, and it went there pretty quickly within, if you got into this trade here, about 2 hours to get into that trade. Initially, it rallied, ripped down pretty hard after failing to test the $47 level. I know if this were to rip down, most people would have got really frightened and jumped out of their trade. But this is why we follow our game plan. This is why we stay disciplined and follow our rules by setting an entry here. Once you're in the trade, you set the stop loss, you set the target. If it goes up to the upside, hit your target, you're covered. If it comes down, hit your stop loss, you're out, you're done. But, there's no need to jump in and out. Just stay disciplined and let the trade work itself out. If you were worried today, like I was, there was another trade after the... So initially there's an FOMC meeting today, and it's also the beginning of rollover. What is rollover? So rollover is the expiring of the previous month. You see right here on this upper area, this is a / for futures, crude oil, and then U7, CLU7. This is the contract that was traded yesterday, and you're still able to trade it. But then, if you can tell right here, this is the volume. This is the volume of it for Thursday. And still right now, it just recently opened at about like 3 hours ago. The volume is very dry because this is no longer the front month. It's going to expire on the 20th. The 20th happened to land on August, I think it was Saturday or Sunday. So that's why it's going to expire through the weekend. You're going to want to liquidate all your position by Friday, not hold into the weekend so you don't take delivery. Your broker will most likely cover that position for you if you're using a regular retail broker. If not, you might take delivery, and I highly doubt you'll want any crude oil per barrel get sent to your home. So we have now rolled over. If you can see, this right now is 47.08. We have rolled over to the rolling over month, which is V, and here it is. This is October. The one before was, I believe, September. U7 is, yes, September. I know we're in August, so we're trading in futures for September, and now that's why you see the price difference is at 47.20. That's the 47.22 is the October month. September month right here is 47.08. And go back to the V7, which is the front month. This is the current price action right now, 47.22. So the spread is about 10, 12 cents, not huge. They did catch up together previously, but I'm going to go back to the CL, which will show you. It's trading the front month of October 2017 right here. So back to that last trade setup. If you're into the news, FOMC, worried like me, there was a trade to get in right at this close of this bar to get in at 96. Sorry, 98. Get in at 98. Stop would have been right here at this 46.84. No, it's not correct. We actually got in this bar right here. I'm going to remove these other lines so I don't get confused. Remove. The trade would have been to enter on this trade of 46.98. The stop was going to be right here at this 46.83. And I believe the stop was less than $200. It would have been like $150 loss. So it was very good risk reward wise. And our target was in the 16. It had to make new highs, and which was right here. So this would have been a smaller, more conservative trade if you're a little bit on the sketchier side because of all the lack of volume. As you can see, after this peak right here, to the 47.08, 09 area, that was a significant amount of volume, but it just drastically dried up until through the close of the market, and it just eventually pushed it back up. And you would have made about $180 on this trade. So, kind of pick and choose your battles. You just don't want to jump into the trade right away. FOMC rollovers are usually a bad time to trade because of lack of volume. But it did significantly move this week. So Friday's coming up tomorrow. It's going to be a last day to trade the September futures before it expires. But we're going to be rolling over to October, so we're going to trade the new active front month. And you can tell my account is growing. This week alone, I made about, let's see, six. Let me add today's numbers. So I'm should be up about $1,800. My account is now $13,646. And yeah, it's been, I believe it's a pretty good week, a solid week. So almost up $2,000. Tomorrow trade might be a loser. I thought today was going to be the loser trade. Why? Because I anticipate there should be about 2 loser days throughout the week. But, I'm above my average of $500 a week. So, just stay disciplined. Sometimes the strategy works more in your favor, and, you just got to ride the wave and enjoy it. And stay disciplined, guys, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys.